We believe design and manufacturing should be part of one seamless experience. You can't design a product without thinking about the manufacturing processes that are going to be used to create it, whether that be work holding, fixtures. It's all part of an integral process. So Autodesk HSM is an underlying toolpath technology that exposes itself inside of the environment where you're doing your design work. There's the HSM plugin for SOLIDWORKS, an add-in for Inventor users, and we've built a completely integrated solution with our Fusion 360 product. In the same way that you need to think about how a product is manufactured as you're designing it, we need to be considering how a product is used as we're building our software solutions. It's crucial that as we expose the technology, it becomes an extension of the host application and provides a familiar user experience. It's easy to think of CAM software simply as the underlying toolpath technology and the user experience. But one of the most important parts of the experience in the product is the connection that's created, both to ensure success with the existing technology and drive innovation to help customers produce parts on time at a high quality. Collaborating and engaging with our users is a key part of how we develop our solutions. So as you adopt HSM, I encourage you to join the community and help drive the future of making things.